Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Runway AI for automated video edits and captions, full guide step by step clearly. To install Runway AI for automated video edits and captions, start by visiting the official Runway AI website. Locate the download section on the home page. Choose the appropriate version based on your operating system. Click the download button to initiate the installation file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Runway AI application. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. To begin a new project, click on the New Project button. Import the video you wish to edit by clicking the Upload option. Wait for the video to fully upload to the platform. Select the video from your project timeline. Now, look for the AI Tools section in the menu. Choose the Automated Edits option for quick video enhancements. Adjust the settings as needed for your project requirements. To add captions, navigate to the Audio section. Select Generate Captions from the options available. Wait for the captions to be auto-generated after processing. Review the generated captions for accuracy and make any necessary edits. Once satisfied, apply the captions to your video timeline. Save your project periodically to avoid data loss. When you're ready to export, click on the Export button. Choose your desired video quality and format. Confirm your export settings and initiate the export process. Wait for the video to finish exporting. Once completed, check the output folder for your finalized video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.